Jai Hind. Sir is given to topic of principle, but due respect to all the principle, my thought is very different from all of us. What I experienced that I want to share to you. When I in a under 14, I won the matches of inter school. That time I got a gold medalist on that. That I easily won that match. No, my brain is work from that. My favorite game is chess. But what happened to the next time? What is why I am telling this thing to the principal topic. What happened when I school that tournament? I have conducted that tournament of school that go state national level. When I filled a form of chess, very excitement, very enthusiasm. I just filled a form and shipped to the. I was my sport teacher go and sign with the principal signature. I went to the principal office. Uh, I just say them very broken English in a very child childish tone. Father, please sign randomly. I am just uh, joining the words and vocab. Just I want to express, and then I just simply to sir sign कर दो मुझे खेलने जाना है. That time one rule is going on in class who are mischievous boy, that mischievous book is there and that writing that name. He called that register and just show me this. Just see what is written, how was complaint is going on, bring your diary, वगैरह वगैरह. I just requested principal please sign. It is apart from my sport. This is my career. I just request, request, requesting father please begging to them to him, but father never listen. He don't sign and he very shout and loudly voice ever. My dream is broken there. Today I just saw the somebody game of chess. Yeah, I just feeling very hard here. This is not behavior of the principal because I am good at my chess certificate. What is the use of that inter-school chess certificate you are giving to me? What is hell for me for that? This is not care somebody. It is a little. My dream is broken here. Apart from that, in my school only volleyball coaches are there. Nobody is understand my goal, my chess dream. Nobody connected the teachers or coach of chess. How I progress my game, yeah. Everyone is going to college and somewhere there to play volleyball. For me, how I practice, nobody understand, nobody support. None of my family can understand this is a game of career. Nobody, teacher, principal, not understand. They just forcing on my study academy. What to dare? The different between is there, yeah. Nobody come from me, yeah. This is harsh reality. What to do for next? My life is my whole childhood is broken. Yes, because of my principal, my chess dream is broken. I truly, firmly tell in that this is publicly. Yes, my academy is low, weak. I am weak student because of teacher. Teacher is not teaching well. When I uh, uh, every teacher is telling me your base is not you completed weak. Your base is weak. Your concept is not clear. So what the solution is that? Nobody care about that. This is a reality. Harsh reality is going. I saw many of the school government rule that eight standard there no fees है या nominally fees to them as a poor people, but very book are expensive in the private school. What is going on there yaar? How parents is matching that? Nobody know, nobody care about that. What the principal rule? Destroy my future. You kick my goal. This is a harsh reality. Nobody tell about this thing because you have a money, you have a power position, you are misusing that. You do not care of my dream. After that, I defeated my principal in the game of chess. That no, na. What is my practice is going? This is my mindset. What I win the chess my game. One of the most important things, principal. Now I want to reply. That day you had told to me what happened. I don't remember that class. Uh, some strict rule that when the CBSE gone on our school, um, only only teaching that five important subject. They remove molar science book and computer and GK. They are not interesting, not uh, getting that period. What to taught in the computer room? Painting, only painting MS, but nobody teaching there. Just go and computer room and do whatever you want to do. And after that, he's not giving that computer period. I only solo went to the computer office. Whoa, principal office. I just telling to principal, please don't shut down the period of computer. Very good reply principal give me. I want to say this to in the publicly. Sir, call all that time my report card of education system that math, physics, and that subject also social science. They just keep in decks. What is this? You are a failure. Yes, I am failure, but I want to interest on that computer also. You want to teach, but my principal not listen to me that day. What happened, principal? What do you want to prove? My There's a harsh reality. I know what the rule is saying, I am like earning. What the rule of education system. But what happened to me now? I just ensure that nobody can do after. I'm just planning. Wait from few year. What are I'm doing? What the education system, yaar? Why are you insulting and forcing? What is the mean of parents is the meet? Just you are showing that mark only. You are not uh, encourage them be a student. You are making only topper and topper. You are make a very pamphlet and that poster only 99%, 50%, 98, 99, 100. What about the weak student who are fail? Why are not pasting their poster also? टॉपर्स को टॉपर्स बनाना बहुत इजी है फादर. दिस इज हार्श रियलिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन सिस्टम. I have many of plenty of discussing about this. Wait from few year. I just come and tell this thing. There some principle is very good. Some principle. Not every principle is good. I go that principal office when parents teacher meet my small brother. He is a very big student because of Corona academic. What he reply? Transfer in a Hindi medium school. Principal, language is language only. Hindi medium also they want to teach in Hindi. Subject is same. You want to help to them. You are replying simply this thing. What is going on? I can't understand that here. I know many of the student don't know even difference between of perimeter area, ray on line segment. They don't know. How can they pass of 86%? I don't understand. What are you doing this thing nowadays? And then most of the school are same this kind of person. After that, you are some of the teacher as using the coaching. How? You don't know. They are not teaching in the school properly. You don't know. You don't care about that. What to say? This is a noble profession. Swami Vivekananda say youth is the power. I say children is the foundation of our country. You are destroying the foundation of country. This is my experience, sir. I am telling my experience that book is written very golden words about principal, teacher, mother. But in reality, what is going on there? Yaar? Just tell to me. Ask your student what is going on. In English medium coach school, we are not unable to talk in English. We are going to spoken coaching. What is the uses of your English medium coaching? After the Corona, government said weak student give me extra class from them. What is that person? You don't do extra effort for weak student. You are making only toppers to toppers. You get only your fees. Every parents giving you fees. How hard earning from there? They are just joining their hand, please. You are not respecting their joining hand even. I know this is my what to say, that this is not part of the principal here. What the going on in your mind here? What? Making the money from the education system? Make the school and earn the money. Profit, profit, profit. What is the going on the real education system? Education system to teach to student their ability, shape and nurturing them. What he or she want to going to pursue. You want to help to them. You are not understanding, not growing to them most of the time. What are you doing? I don't understand how you want to teach that course, completing that biggest thing for that. Nobody know how to student getting that knowledge, that acquire that knowledge, that not. That is not matter about how pressure that student have while they not understand that concept. What to say, yaar? What to not say? I am many of the list. I am researching every point of the letter. I want to change the education system. Harsh reality is this, yaar. See the weak student mindset, their dream. You are what to say that you are destroy their mental health. This is a reality. I am a weak student. That is why I know that mindset. I am researching. I talk to at least 100 to 150 student. After that, I am telling to this thing. I went something 6 to 7 school. Talk to the principal on parent teacher meet. How she replied, yaar? I don't want to share in this publicly, yaar. You respect of education system and principal. What to say? This is a education system. We are not. We are not understand that every student is not a perfect yaar, in every field. My math is very well, very profound, but your education system is nobody help me yaar, just balancing all the subject. You are destroying my top subject and that dream, that working. I just shut down that also. Yaar. I know in reality nobody speak like that because student is fear about your education system. My government said you can express your view, right to speak, but really where the feedback form, that where you have a contact helpline complaining, why are you not posting on the publicly, where in the every school there are helpline number, girl safety number, and against the teacher you can complain, that where they are complaining, why are not posting in publicly, you are not pasting their education system and that minister name and mail, you are hiding that thing because your student had complained. Why are you not teaching that application how to complain your teacher? You are not taught that thing. You are taught that to the principals and that school and that vagera vagera, only leaving school, transfer certificate, application to 3 day leave, only this thing. Why I'm not taughting this thing? This is a more important thing. I saw one of the case of IT Delhi College, DU. You are not understanding what the ground reality is there. You are making money. Some of the principal and some of the education system. What to say, yaar? I don't like, yaar. I make an entire long story. I just wait from few months. I am just researching. I just quote what the education system are. You are not understanding what people and student think. Weak students, you are just so in a garbage they are doing. They're painful, yeah. Really. Somebody principal is seeing this video. What to say, yeah? My dream is broken, yeah. I can't understand this education system now. Fees, you are exponentially growing the fees. You are making your school very beautiful. Why are not pasting the Major Dhyan Chand poster in your school? Swami Vivekanand, you are not teaching them, yeah. What are you teaching? I don't know. I can't understanding that. You are teaching only Mawak that just what to say. I don't know what to say in English. याद करो और वही फेंक दो. Now come at AI, यार. Beat from that. I know na something is very destroying this thing. Now I don't would like to ending this thing. I know na watching this video nobody can understand my feeling. But I want to create something beyond this thing. I am Salisbury. This is the reality. Guys. I understand I am a weak student. I admire it. I done plenty of mistaking that also I admire it. I don't want to tell the teacher reality because you said something. I have also a data. I'm shutting down this video right now. Thank you watching. Even 1% of friends are understand this thing. Please, yeah, care yourself. Nobody care about you. Build your own path.